Hi everyone, I hope all of you are well. I'm excited to bring you a new reveal of the In Bloom VB kit. This one is a Luxe kit designed by a special guest designer, and I really want you to meet Maddie. So without further ado, here's Maddie.
Hi guys, this is Maddie of the Girly Geek. You may know my Etsy shop as the Girly Geek Paper Co. I am a Sydney, Australia based illustrator and designer, and I am so excited that I am the April guest designer for VB's kit this month, which is a Luxe VB kit. I'm so excited about this In Bloom kit. It is a combination of two of my very most favorite things, which is pastels, as you can see here, and florals. I love me some gorgeous big blooming florals, and since it is going to be, or it is now, spring in the US, I thought it was the perfect time to combine the two and make a beautiful collection for you guys. I really hope you enjoy seeing it all, and I am just as excited to see everything in your hands.
Now that you met Maddie, you should go to her Etsy shop, go and support her, especially if you love her type of style. She loves florals, so if you love florals as well, make sure to go and support her. So let me talk about this kit. There's two washi tapes in this kit, the 15mm, which is a floral spread with a little bit touches of Maddie's little bumblebees, and then the second one is the 7.5mm. Okay, let me turn off my diffuser. When I do videos and I'm working in my office, I like to have some essential oils in my diffuser. It just kind of calms me down. Okay, back on track. This one is a 7.5mm. It has this kind of plaid pattern, yellow with rose gold sequins. This might be matching one of the pens in this kit. So this one is a bits and pieces pack. Every month the bits and pieces pack kind of change depending on the theme and what I feel like designing. So this month, if I can get this open. Okay, first I should say my lighting right now, it's going to change throughout the video. It's bright and then it gets dark, it's bright, so I apologize in advance. You get this journaling card, the Keep Growing, and then these two 3x4 cards. And then these are holographic floral stickers. Really pretty. Look how the sun just catches that floral. I really like these. I haven't done something like this before, so I thought this would be fun to add to this kit. Do you see what I see? It's a new pocketbook and a new color. So I'm going to talk about this later, but first let's talk about this dangle charm to accessorize your new pocketbook. This one is a mushroom, and it has a little flower, same clip art as Maddie made for the kit. And then this is a pocketbook. It is a new color, like a lavender, I would maybe call it like a light pastel purple. Maddie did design this notepad to fit into this pocket. Now let's fill in the pen loops. First, I want to talk about this highlighter. I wanted to share one of my new favorite products. It's new to me, might not be new to you, but I really like this highlighter because it's light, and I love how it's kind of like the tip is like a little window, and then the ink is around it. And I totally forgot to show you that there is a fine tip highlighter point on the end of the pen, or highlighter, as you can see. Let's talk about pens. This is the kit pen. It is called In Bloom. It has pastel yellow paint, rose gold hardware, and a mix of blush rose, light yellow crystals with rose gold flower sequins. So that's pen 1. Pen 2 is called Petal. It is a pastel light pink paint, glossy paint, rose gold hardware, and blush rose, pale lavender, and light turquoise with iridescent crystals. And surprise, pen 3 is called Lilac. This one is a pastel lilac glossy paint, a little bit matches the pocketbook. It has rose gold hardware, pale lavender, aquamarine, nude, and iridescent crystals. So 3 pens for this kit. I wanted to surprise you with the third pen. So I know I showed the yellow one and the pink one, or the pink one was a surprise for the product mood board. But yes, a little surprise for you. So when I was designing the pocketbook, I thought it would be really fun to add some little patches to the front. I'm going to show you how I did that. These are adhesive patches, embroidered patches. There is a adhesive backing to the back. If you decide to do this, be warned, I probably would not take these off. It probably will, and it might destroy, ruin the pocketbook. So if you want to put these on your pocketbook, make sure that you feel that you want these to stay on, okay? But for now, you saw the little glue dot, and I put that on, and I've been removing them off and on. They haven't caused any damage. So if you want them to be permanent, I would peel the backing and leave them on. So just a FYI. And then these are the last product. These are washi tape holders with a little holographic finish to them, and I just want to show you how to use them because people are sometimes confused, you know, on how to use the washi holders, or you can call them washi cards as well. It's a great way to bring washi tape wherever you go. If you're an on-the-go planner, you just kind of wrap the washi tape around the card. These are acrylic, so they're very sturdy. And you get two of them, two different sizes, and it has a ball and chain, so you can clip it here with your dangle charm, or you can put them in like the zipper pocket in the back. I also use these washi cards to tear washi tape when I'm working on a spread, so I get a clean, nice edge. Look how cute the new pocketbook is. Leave me a comment down below on maybe some other colors that you would like to see. I know I'm kind of working on a black one. We need to have black. I love black, matches with everything. I totally forgot that I have two more products to show you. So this is the sticker book, 10 pages. You get 7 pages of sticker paper and then 3 pages that are clear. You're gonna notice that the sticker paper is a little bit different. It is smoother. It is, I don't know, I love it. This is why we haven't had individual sheets of stickers for a while and samples, because I did change the paper to this. I've been on the hunt for the perfect paper, and I have finally found it. The printing is so much better. You can still use your VB pens because it is not vinyl. It is strictly sticker paper, but very bright. It really shows the colors better. I'm going to show you here with the sticker pack, the 8 little page sticker pack. The paper, you're gonna love it. It is a step up, I would say, more of like maybe an upgrade of the past sticker paper that I've been using when I changed from kind of that vinyl paper that we had with stickers to the regular sticker paper. So this is an upgrade to that. It's not vinyl, but you're gonna find that it's nice and smooth. And then the colors just are very vibrant, even with some of the lighter colors. It's not as splotchy. I'm super happy with it. So now that we have the sticker paper in stock, we're gonna start, rolling out those new sticker sheets. And there you guys have it, the first Luxe kit of 2022. Can't believe that. Thank you again to Maddie from the Girly Geek for collaborating with me, for being this month's guest designer. She really blew it out of the park. She had a vision and she made it come to life. So thank you, Maddie. I hope all of you love this kit. Don't forget to head to Maddie's Etsy shop and to support her. All right, so there's gonna be some changes for May, and I want to just touch base on that quickly. Don't forget, we will not have a May kit. We're going to be back on track June 1st with the same schedule as you can see here. So June 1st, stay tuned to some news in the VB newsletter. Thanks for watching this month's reveal, and I will see you guys soon.